Now, if you're looking for a complete chess solution to play, analyze and improve your game, then this Chessnut Evo is made for you. The Chessnut team were kind enough to send me this product and I've been using it for about a month now. So let's get into the details. Now inside the box, we get this ultra modern AI chessboard with a tablet screen on the side. We get all these beautiful chess pieces with an extra queen. We also have these 2 carry pouches and a charging cable. On the side of the board, you have these 3 buttons. One is to power on and off, and the rest 2 are for volume control. And on the side, you have this charging slot. Once you switch it on, you are presented with this Chessnut Evo app. By the way, this tablet works on Android, so you can scroll down for notifications, connect to Wi-Fi, and even check out the system settings. It's very user-friendly. Now let's get to the chess stuff. The magical thing about the Evo is its piece recognition technology. This means that everything that is on the board is translated on the screen immediately. Just look at this. That's fantastic. Now in terms of playing games, this is an all-in-one chessboard. You can play over the board, you can play online, or even against the computer. Look, if you want to play with your friends over the board, just tap on clock, select a variant, set the time control, and you can start playing a game. As you can see, the timing is automatically monitored, so you don't need a separate chess clock to time your moves. This is a great way to practice because that's how you play in professional tournaments. Another good feature is that you can easily save all your games on this device by simply creating a Chessnut account. And if you are alone and you have no one to play, don't worry, just play against the computer. Go into bot match. From here you can play against Maya, Stockfish, Leela. They have all these engines. Maya is a human-like engine, so let's go with that. Then select a variant. You can play standard, chess 960, or even set up a custom position to start from. Then select your color, select a rating level, set up a time control, and start playing. Now whenever you're playing an online game or against the computer, every move that your opponent makes on the screen immediately lights up on the board.
G7, G6.
This also has an inbuilt speaker that calls out the move. This is a great functionality to have. So just follow along, and this way you can use the advantages of both the physical chessboard and the online features. Talking about online features, if you turn on analysis, you'll see an evaluation graph like this. And if you turn on evaluate, look at what happens. Now whenever you'll pick up a piece, all the squares where that piece can move will light up. Green means that it's a good move, red means that it's a terrible move, and yellow means that it's an average move. This is a great feature for learning, especially when you're struggling to find a good move. So basically, the evaluate function will highlight all the possible squares and help you out. Apart from this, you also have the hint feature, which will suggest you a good move in any position. So that's how you can play against the computer using the bot match option. Now if you go to online match, you can also play online on Lichess, chess.com, ChessKid, and so on. For example, if you open Lichess, it takes you to the Lichess website from where you can sign into your Lichess account and use all its functionality like playing games, playing tournaments, solving puzzles, creating studies, watching chess streams, analyzing your games, and a lot more. When you start playing an online game, you can make your moves directly on the tablet. And if you want, you can also make your moves on this physical chessboard, which are automatically replicated online. So you have both the options. From the record section, you can easily access all your saved games. So you can go back, download a PGN if you want, and review your games anytime. Now if you like to watch chess videos, another great way for learning is to use your screen to watch your favorite videos, and side by side you can try out the moves on your chessboard as well. That makes it so much better and much more easier to follow along. Going back, if you tap on the analysis tab, it automatically loads the current position from the board directly onto the tablet. You can even change the position of the pieces and it instantly updates the position on screen. Now this is extremely useful if you want to analyze a particular position using the engine. Just tap on next move and you can learn from the engine. It's a good way to train yourself. Apart from this analysis feature, you also have the option of analyzing your online games through Lichess and chess.com directly from this tablet. That makes the Chessnut Evo a really useful and comprehensive analysis solution.